How to create accessibility shortcut on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again. Here in general section, you can see here the accessibility shortcut. So you can tap this. And now you can see here the option of accessibility shortcut. Okay guys, for my example, I add the color filter. So you can tap this to check or enable this or to add this to accessibility shortcut. So okay, for my example, okay, if you want to go to your accessibility shortcut, so you'll have to do is press the side button 3 times. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And you can see here the color filter. So okay guys, so for my example, I add another one. And okay guys, here in accessibility shortcut, so I add another one. So for my example, the switch control. So you can tap this, and another the voice control. So okay, so if you press again the side button 3 times, so you can see below the accessibility shortcut. So now you can see the switch control and voice control here in accessibility shortcut. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully create the accessibility shortcut on iPhone X.